A never-seen-before landscape, unique sanctuaries, and an exceptional cultural heritage. Run of Kutch is truly one of its kind. This video will help you to plan your next trip to Run of Kutch, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Run of Kutch is geographically divided into Little Run of Kutch and the Great Run of Kutch. In this video, we'll touch base both the areas for you. So, let's first talk about the Little Run of Kutch. To get here, you need to first reach to Dharangdhara, which is the nearest railway station, or you can reach to Ahmedabad, from where you can hop on taxi or bus. To enter Little Run of Kutch, you need to buy a pass from the forest department. The best part of Little Run is that you can do the safari by your own car. It may be called as Little Run, but the area is close to 5,000 square kilometers. Little Run of Kutch is a host to beautiful winged visitors, a delight for bird watchers, as one can spot flamingos, European rollers, McVein's bustard, lesser florican, and many such other species of birds. Little Run of Kutch is popular for an endangered Asiatic wild ass, which is one of the rare species. You can sometimes spot here a nilgai or sambar deer. Now comes the most important location of this video, the Great Run of Kutch. This place is around 300 kilometers from Dharangdhara and 80 kilometers from Bhuj. On your way, you will pass through Tropic of Cancer. Kalodongar is the highest point of Run of Kutch. Here you can stand and adore the panoramic view of the White Desert. Enjoy the breathtaking view of India-Pakistan border, which is divided naturally by an ethereal-looking sea. Up here you can also see India Bridge. On the other side of bridge, approx 100 kilometers, the Pakistan border starts. Now we head towards the famous White Desert. The White Desert is located at a place called Dordo. Here you will need to take permission from BSF to enter the White Desert. The White Desert is famous for its white salty sand and is reputed to be the largest salt desert in the world. Best time to visit this place is during the Run Festival, which takes place during winters. There are plenty of options for accommodation near the White Desert, but they are mostly booked in advance. In the other scenario, you can travel back to Bhuj for stay. Once at Ran Utsav, the shopaholics can indulge in buying authentic Gujarati handicrafts handmade by the Kutchi people, with the varieties of options in clothes, bags and other items such as shoes and puppets. Also, you can enjoy the traditional folk dance of Kutch. Other not to miss is the spectacular New Moon Night. After spending some time at Run of Kutch, you can explore places around Bhuj. Here there are a couple of museums where you can learn about the rich culture of Kutch. Our next stop is Prag Mahal. Many of you would have seen this place in the famous Bollywood movie Lagan. In the movie, it was shown as the British headquarters. The palace was commissioned by the King Pragmalji in 1860s and was designed by Colonel Henry St. Wilkins in the Italian Gothic style. The massive shimmering chandeliers, statues, gates, mirror, everything here is majestic. Then you can climb stairs of 45-meter bell tower and find solace in the enthralling view of the Bhuj city. Our last stop here is the Swaminarayan Temple. It is one of the oldest Swaminarayan temples in India, which was built in 1832. The temple marks the spot where Lord Swaminarayan sat with the local men when he came through Bhuj. Make your winter wonderful by visiting one-of-a-kind Run of Kutch. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then do share it and subscribe to our channel. We promise you to bring more such informative travel videos. Till then, take care.